Co-chairs was actually easy because our leadership and the people on our leadership understood that we could lead together. Co-directors, where you've got accountability. We were challenged right at the beginning that it just was not possible to have clear accountability, financial accountability, clear delineation of roles and responsibilities, and we went, that's totally not right, we're just going to do it. Because actually I think there was more doubt that was stopping us from moving forward than actual fact. So we've done it. It was very smooth moving. It did help that we had co-governance already. We had that dynamic leadership, but also the people that we chose knew that their job was to be co-directors. That it wasn't you are working with Māori and you're working with non-Māori. Everything we do has a lens, and so it's bringing Te Ao Māori and Te Ao Tiriti into everything we do. So we have that wearing glasses lens where it comes together so we can see each other's perspectives, each other's worldviews, and it filters right through our whole challenge. It actually started in our initial decisions. So when our first decisions were made, Vision Mātauranga was one of the standards that research projects had to meet, and we went, no, that's not actually good enough. We want to see that you have co-design, co-development with your communities that you're working with. We want to know that you're working with Māori communities, not a Māori person or all sorts of other options that came up. And actually all of our research projects that started had to really rethink how they engaged in partnership with their Māori communities. And it's made such a difference to all of our programs. I was so proud in the beginning. We are competitive because we are number 11 of 10 science challenges. We're the forgotten challenge. I was very proud that in the beginning we had the most Māori researchers out of all of the, I might be making this up, we had the most Māori researchers out of all of the challenges. And it wasn't because we had a Māori stream, which we did, it was because every single research program had to have kaupapa Māori research in it.
Okay.